Hey there, smart shoppers! Welcome back to Buy Smart, where we take the guesswork out of your shopping. Today, we've got a 3D printer showdown that's hotter than a filament extruder at 300 degrees. It's the ELEGOO Mars 4 versus the Creality K1C. On my left, we've got the Mars 4, and on my right, the K1C. Let's dive in and see which one will print your dreams and which one will leave you in a tangled mess of failed prints. First up, let's talk about the price. The Mars 4 comes in at a wallet-friendly $309. It's like the budget-friendly superhero of 3D printers. Meanwhile, the K1C is strutting its stuff with a $599 price tag. That's almost double the price. For that amount, I hope it comes with a personal butler to serve you coffee while you wait for your prints. Now let's talk screens and resolution. The Mars 4 boasts a 7-inch 9K mono LCD screen with a resolution of 8,520 by 4,320. That's more pixels than my last vacation photos. On the other hand, the K1C. Oh wait, it didn't even mention its screen resolution in the spec sheet. Maybe it's shy? Come on, K1C, show us what you're working with. Hold on to your print beds, folks, because it's time for a speed test. The Mars 4 has a maximum printing speed of 70 millimeters per hour. Not bad, right? But the K1C is like the Usain Bolt of 3D printers with a blazing speed of 600 millimeters per second and 20,000 millimeters per square second acceleration. It's like comparing a Sunday stroll to a rocket launch. If you're in a hurry, the K1C is your go-to. Next, let's shine some light on the light sources. The Mars 4 uses a COB UV light source with 36 LEDs for higher uniformity and better detail. It's like having a spotlight on your masterpiece. The K1C, however, is all about cooling with its upgraded fan structure. It's got more fans than a K-pop idol. With multiple fans to prevent heat creep and ensure quick cooling, your prints will be as cool as they come. Now, let's talk extruders. The Mars 4 keeps it simple, but the K1C is packing a clog-free direct extruder that can handle carbon fiber filament and more. It's like the Swiss Army knife of extruders. Plus, it supports 300 high-temperature printing. The Mars 4 better step up its game or risk being left in the filament dust. Finally, let's get smart. The K1C is loaded with AI functions, like a 1 micrometer resolution AI LiDAR and an AI camera to stop spaghetti failures. It's practically a Terminator for 3D printing. The Mars 4, on the other hand, offers the VoxelDance Tango slicing software and model preview on its touchscreen. It's like comparing a Tesla to a classic car. Both cool, but one's got way more bells and whistles. Reviewers appreciate the ELEGOO Mars 4 for its high-quality prints and affordability, despite some frustrations with the instruction manual. It's a solid choice for hobbyists and professionals alike. On the other hand, the Creality K1C is praised for its stability, ease of use, and advanced features, making it a hit among those looking to introduce 3D printing to their families or take on more complex projects. So there you have it, folks. The Mars 4 is your budget-friendly, reliable workhorse, while the K1C is your high-speed, high-tech beast. Whether you want to save some bucks or splurge on the latest tech, we've got you covered. Drop a comment below to let us know which one you'd pick. Hit that like button if you enjoyed the showdown, and don't forget to subscribe for more Buy Smart comparisons. Until next time, happy printing, and may your filament never tangle. Product links are in the description.